Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I have an unboxing, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so this box is pretty big, and I'll spoil it for you. It is a pair of shoes, and let me go ahead and open it, and I will tell you a story behind it. Alright. Open it upside down, but let me show you guys the shoe, and let me put the box away. So it is another pair of Yeezy 350s, and I purchased this one from Yeezy Supply, which I believe is Kanye West's personal website where he sells his merchandise. And this one, let me just go ahead and open it up, because this one was exclusive to that website, and it is the Static, the Yeezy 350 Static. And this one is the special one where it is reflective. And so you guys have seen that I already unboxed one of these, and that was the non-reflective version. This one is the reflective version, and this is a huge shoe. So I actually bought this shoe for resale purposes because, and let me bring out my other shoe here. So this is the Yeezy 350 Static non-reflective version, and this is the reflective version. You guys can already see, and I sort of wanted to do this video to basically compare the two shoes. And again, the non-reflective is on the top, the reflective version is on the bottom. And if you can see, the non-reflective version is a little bit darker as far as the gray color. This one is more, you know, light gray, more white, and you can definitely see the gray on here. Now I prefer, you know, the darker gray on this one, and that's why I got this one in my size. And I thought I would have gotten the best size to, you know, get resale value on this shoe, but currently this shoe, I believe, is reselling for about $360, and I purchased this shoe. The retail value is $220 after fees and shipping and blah blah blah. I think if I were to sell it now, I'd only get maybe $50 or $60 in profit. But there are other sizes, and actually my size in this shoe is actually fetching for higher, like more than $100 more higher than this size right here, which is a size 14. Now whenever they talk about trying to get the best shoes for resale, it's usually the biggest size and the smallest sizes, and that is because they don't make as many of the bigger sizes and the smaller sizes, and so technically these are even more limited than the, you know, size range between 9 and 11 or so. And my size is an 11, and that one is reselling for quite a bit more than this guy right here, which is unfortunate, but I think I will hold on to this for a while until, you know, prices do go higher a little bit, and then I will try to sell it. But let me just go over the differences between these two shoes. A little bit more of the differences, that is. So if I were to put these two up, the laces are actually the same. So these laces here, I will put up a picture here. These laces are reflective, and these laces are also reflective. But now this shoe in particular, the reflective version, the actual shoe is reflective. And so if I were to put a flash camera, or if I were to take a picture of this with my flash on a camera, you would see that the entire shoe, there are parts of it that glows, which is really cool. But of course you're not going to see that, not unless you have a flash on your camera and if you're taking pictures. And that is the reason why I chose this one to be my personal pair, because you don't need a flash to enjoy this colorway. And honestly, this one being more white, I figure it would be a lot easier to get dirty, and I already have a pair of the Yeezy 350s in the triple white creams, and I have yet to wear those, and that is because, you know, it's a white shoe. I just need to spray it with some, you know, shoe spray, and it should be fine. But yeah, this is my new pickup, and I did order this, like I said, from Yeezy Supply. The unfortunate thing about ordering from Yeezy Supply is that shipping costs $20. I ordered this one, I believe, from Champ Sports, and shipping there is, I think, $7.99. And if I were to have ordered this on Adidas, on the Adidas website, I think shipping is for free. Another thing with purchasing this on the Champ site is that I was able to use Ebates to get some, you know, cash back. With Yeezy Supply, I was not able to use Ebates or any other thing to be able to get a little bit of a discount, so I had to pay full price plus $20 for shipping. Now, you would think that paying $20 for shipping would get you the shoe a lot faster, or they would ship the shoe immediately and you'd get it, you know, in the next day or two, but that is not the case. You saw that I unboxed this one first because I got this shoe first, even though this shoe came out one day later compared to this shoe. And so that is one thing about the Yeezy Supply website that a lot of people don't like, is that it costs $20 to ship and it takes forever to get. I have also heard that some people just never get their items, and I was, I guess, lucky that I was able to get this item. Now I wish I had gotten it in a different size, because resale is currently a lot higher, but you know, that is the risk that we take when we are considering resale. So I think this shoe in particular is going to be one of the last ones that I add to my collection for a while. So I am not trying to be a wannabe hype beast or whatever. I buy the shoe because they're freaking comfortable. And yeah, if you think I'm a hype beast, so what is a hype beast anyways? It's like, you know, if anybody wants to be a hype beast, they could call themselves that, but I don't claim that for myself. But I do enjoy, you know, these shoes because they are comfortable. I did walk around in a pair. I walked around in my Yeezy Sesames for, like, we were walking over 11 miles a day when I went to Disneyland, and they kept my feet nice and cushioned, and yeah, they were probably the most comfortable shoe that I have ever worn. They are going to be releasing a lot more of these shoes in the future, and they are currently a lot easier to get than in the past. So if you are interested in trying out this shoe and, you know, feeling they call it the Boost sole, I would highly recommend it, especially if you are suffering from, you know, foot ailments. these shoes are pretty damn comfortable. But yeah, I will put some photos of both of these shoes just so you guys can see the differences. And yeah, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. If you're interested in buying a size 14 shoe of the Yeezy Static Reflective, please let me know. But other than that, that's all I really wanted to say. Until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.